Hello everyone. So this is just a fun little project I started working on this weekend, in which we take two Super Nintendo controllers and then basically feeding those into an Arduino Mega here through a breadboard. It's going to the breadboard and then it's being fed into the Mega. And then the Mega is actually acting like a Super Nintendo. It's pretending to be a Super Nintendo, and it's sending all the appropriate clock and data and latch messages to the controllers, and it's reading the input from them, and then basically it's providing some sort of logic to what it sees, and then sends the data out to another controller that's been taken apart and with some wires soldered to it so basically the Arduino can talk to this third controller, which is then plugged into the Super Nintendo. So basically what this all sums down to is that we have two controllers. It goes through an Arduino, some logic is applied to it, and then the output is sent to a game. So it may not seem very interesting, but there's some cool little things we can do with this. Like for instance, we can say, hey, don't do anything in the game unless both controllers are doing the same thing. So Mario doesn't move unless both controllers move. For instance, here, I'll show you. So we have our controllers here. And then let's say we want to go to the level on the right there instead of the level we're at. Well, Mario's not going to move if I just press down on one controller here. So I'm pressing, Mario doesn't move. Okay. Grab the other controller, I press down, Mario doesn't move. Alright? But what happens if I press it down with both fingers, is Mario moves over. Alright, so that's one example. So you can actually truly cooperatively play games with some people. So unless you're exactly thinking exactly what your opponent is doing, or the person you're playing with, Mario's not going to react. So that's pretty darn cool.